This is the unboxing of the Mastercraft corded reciprocating saw. I bought this many years ago, maybe 6 years ago or 5 or 6 years ago, but I just never opened it because I never had a use for it until now. Recently we bought a shed that came in a really big box that's very thick, and of course recycling will not take a big box like that, so I'm thinking of using the saw to cut through the very strong cardboard box that the shed came in. So I just wanted to open the box now and make a video of unboxing it. So this is, I purchased it from Canadian Tire. I guess Mastercraft is a Canadian Tire brand. So here's the side of the box. There's the back. And there's the other side. It looks like it just comes with this easy tab that you just pull to open. I'm recording this on my tablet, so it's kind of hard for me to see what the camera sees. On the top of the box, it looks like there's a instruction manual, and it comes with an Allen key and extra saw blade. And there's the cord for it. It looks like there's a flap here for cardboard that's separating the top from the machine. And that's it. It looks like the machine is in here. Wow, it's heavier than I thought. Here we go. So that's it. So it's just the machine, its cord which is attached to it, and the manual with the Allen key and the saw blade. Oh, I thought it was an extra saw blade, but it's not. It's just the saw blade that comes with it, since it's not attached to the machine right now. Let me see if I can figure out how to put it on. So I'm just gonna take it out of the plastic here, and I imagine the Allen key has something to do with getting the saw blade on. Okay. So this is a Ziploc bag. There's saw blade up close, and there's the Allen key. There it is without the plastic. Alright. Allen key. Oh, that Ziploc just ripped the wrong way. Did not rip at all. There we go, Allen key. Yeah, I do not know how to do this, so I'm kind of just guessing. Oh, cool. Yeah, I'm not sure what the Allen key is for. All I did was lift this lever here. It's on the side. This thing doesn't focus well. I lifted this up, and then I slipped in the the blade into, I'm not sure if you can see that there is a slit. Let's see if I can focus on there. Oh, the lighting here is not very good. Or his tablet. It's not very good at capturing video. Anyway, inside here there's a slit where the blade goes in. And that's pretty much where I slipped the blade. Let's see, yeah, it won't go in without you pulling this lever on the side. So you pull the lever down, and then you slip the blade in. Then you let go of the lever. Then if you pull on it, it won't come out. So I am not sure where the Allen key fits into this whole equation. I guess that's something I would have to find out through the instruction manual. So that's it for the unboxing of the this Mastercraft corded reciprocal saw. Thanks for watching.